Hey guys, today we got some light switch videos, so let's get started. Over here, show security, camera, empty outlet, show that fluorescent light, here, show that light, show exit sign. This switch show these lights, show the TV is a video, and here. Show emergency light, show exit sign, yeah. Show these three lights, three bulbs. Let's see restroom. The switch is in a minute. So there's no switch in. You know what? There's no switch in here. Let's turn these on. Just automatic light. Let's see, look, this light fixture. Here's the big light fixture, big circle line. And over here is iPad right here. Setup. We're gonna hold it center right now. Shows security camera. So empty outlet, and the outlet. There's the fan's almost done. There's actually right here. Shows empty. The empty outlet and the empty outlet. So outlet. There's passcode and password. Show the TV. Right here. Show the red light right here. See this? And this light switch controls all these lights. The light switch. Here. Show the Aruba Express points. Show the camera. Show Aruba Express points. This is just right there. See it? So there's an iPad up just right there. There's a button right there. So switch to the iPad. For the TV, computer, show emergency light right here. Show that light right there is. Show that light, no wonder for that light. Show where the express points still there. Green light. See this? Green light. This switch here. And there's not burned out. They're not burned out. Outlet. So that this light right here. Another TV. Show the heater vent. This is spinning in the front. But show red light and green light right there. Exit sign. Show these lights. Show the outlet. Show the water. Show the red light. Let's take a look at the light. So for these two lights here. So let's go. So there's one. These two lights. To the a little bit while all the time. Because they're perfect. Just all the time. A little bit while. So the emergency light and the red lights just security camera is actually here. There's a circle light, fluorescent light right here. His LED light in there somewhere. So there's a light switch for the 3 lights. Here's this light and that light and the green light. For that computer. So these 2 lights right here and this light.
Okay, but it'll probably be broke tomorrow too, right?
Right here.
Okay. Look at that.
Yeah, there's. So.
Okay, go in. Wait right here. Make it quick.
Over here. I got automatic light right here.
Nobody in there? Let's go. Go fix it.
This switch controls the
Okay, go.
green light and the red light. The switch for the this light and that sink light, mirror light, and exhaust fan. So over here is for the fan. Not automatic sanitizer. Over here, a electrical outlet.
Go tell them fun.
Okay, so that's all the switches.
Done.
That's all the light switch videos. So thanks for watching. Then please subscribe and bye.